Good morning, all. I'm continuing my video lecture series based upon database management system. Now it is an intermediate SQL. Intermediate SQL analysis involves using SQL for data analysis using group by having aggregate functions, date and time functions, and string functions. Group by means we have to group by classes is used once when one want to form a group of data. Grouping can be done independent to each other. Syntax of the group by operations: select list from table name, group by column name and column name 2. This is the group by syntax. I mean, having functions, having classes is often used with group by classes when one want to filter group based on some specified conditions. Having classes is used with the group by classes. um, select list from table name, group by group list. Having some conditions will be given here, so the given conditions will be satisfied, the list of table will be shown in the output. And then aggregate functions: SQL have many built-in aggregate functions. Some of the commonly used aggregate functions are listed below: count, sum, min and max, average, etc. Count means count the number of rows present in the table. Sum means add all the values present in a particular columns. Min and max means it returns the minimum and maximum value present in a particular column. Average means calculate the average of values present in the specific columns. Date and time functions: to calculate date and time, the following predefined function is used in system: sys, sys date time of function, etc. Sys date time of function returns the current system date and time on which SQL server is running. String functions: string function in SQL takes a string as input, processes the input string, and gives a string or numeric values as a output. A few basic strings functions are given below: ASCII characters, char, concatenate, len, etc. ASCII means return the ASCII value of an input. Char means convert an ASCII inputs into its character value. Concat means join two or more string together. Len means calculate the length of the inputs. They are having a subqueries too. In SQL, a query can operate on the result set returned by another query. The result set is generated by a subquery. A subquery is a query that is embedded in the var class of another SQL queries. Important rules of subqueries: the subquery can be used in various SQL classes, including the where, having, and for from classes. With the expression operator, subqueries can be utilized with the select, update, insert, and delete statements. It could be an equalized operator or a comparison operator like equal to, less than or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Unlike a subquery is a query that is contained within a query. The outer query is the main query, while the inner query is the subquery. The subquery is usually run first, and the result are utilized to complete the query conditions for a main or outer query. A pair of parentheses must enclose the subqueries. On the right hand side of the comparison, the operator form the subqueries. The order by classes cannot be used in a subqueries. A group by classes perform the same function as an order by classes. With the single row subqueries, single row operator can be used. With multi-row subqueries, multi-row operator can be used. And then recursive join. Recursive join is a relational database management system operation. Fixed point join is another name for it. It is a content process in which the join action is repeated, usually accumulated more records each time. When working with self-referential data or graph-like trees like data structures, recursive inquiries are useful. The following few instances of these scenarios: self-referential data, manager, category, graphics, subcoordinates, employee relationship, subcategories, product relationship, graph means flight, plan, travel map. Common table expressions CTE in SQL, which used with classes. It is more typically used for simplifying exceeding complex queries in recursive queries. Let us have a look on example. With average salary of us, select average of salary from employee. Select average salary. Recursive is a high strong tool that may use the tackle various problems in a very elegant manner. Multiple joins. Data is stored in a table. stored in a table in a relational database. Without a doubt, and more cases it queries integrating data from multiple tables. The join is used to integrate data from one, two or more tables, thereby allowing the access of data of several data. A query with multiple joins has a same or distinct join types that are used more than once. As a result, numerous tables of data can be combined to solve relational database problems. Thank you.